Stop everything. What if I unveiled to you an astonishingly powerful tool that's just sitting there at your fingertips? One that you might be unknowingly overlooking. Imagine, in a world driven by visuals and where appearances reign supreme, there's a hidden treasure trove that lies behind an invisible curtain, the Faceless YouTube channel. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey into the cryptic, mysterious realm of no-face content that not only captivates millions across the globe, but also generates streams of revenue beyond your wildest dreams. Picture a world where your ideas strut proudly onto the main stage, where content casts aside the shackles of superficial judgment, and where storytelling asserts itself more boldly than any image ever could. This is the very essence of Faceless YouTube success. And make no mistake, navigating under the radar in this saturated landscape of content creation isn't a shortcoming. On the contrary, it's your most cherished asset, just waiting to be harnessed. Allow me to introduce you to Amelia Reed, a mesmerizing storyteller and a true mastermind of narratives. With the deftness of an artist painting vivid scenes with words, Amelia crafts artful tapestries of stories without ever stepping into the spotlight herself. In a digital landscape dominated by charismatic influencers and iconic vlogging personalities, Amelia discovered a profound truth. The passionate pursuit of anonymity possesses unmatched power. But how, you might wonder? How does one navigate the labyrinthine world behind the scenes with such finesse? That's the intriguing secret we're set to unravel today. Everything began with a vision, a grand vision of making the vast expanse of digital space work for her, to forge authentic connections, spark boundless intrigue, and inspire meaningful action, all without the necessity of visual exposure. Amelia, much like many anonymous creators you may have stumbled upon late at night, embarked on a covert mission. Her mission? To synergize her authentic voice with compelling narratives crafted to engage, challenge, and forever enrapture her audience. At the heart of Amelia's fascinating journey lies an extraordinary technique, transforming seemingly ordinary information into unforgettable narratives etched in the hearts of listeners. In crafting each riveting script, she envelops her audience with a palpable sense of empathy, igniting their imaginations and drawing them irresistibly into the core of her stories. Every word, every pause, every deliberate choice she makes serves as a bridge inviting viewers to embark on an indelible passage of discovery. Amelia recognized early on that thriving in this enigmatic world required more than just words. She required sonic art, exquisite soundscapes that encapsulate emotion and elevate narratives from mundane to truly mesmerizing. Much like a master composer crafting symphonies, she orchestrated auditory experiences that evoke mood, amplify tension, and serenade the soul into serenity. As the days turned into weeks, and the weeks meandered into months, Amelia painstakingly honed her craft, becoming ever more adept at wielding the captivating power of audio mastery, an artistry few dared to embrace. Her faceless narratives became magnetic experiences, ushering her into a clandestine community of equally inventive creators, each unique in their form of expression, yet unified in their relentless pursuit of faceless excellence. But how, you might ask, does all this interconnect with growth, engagement, and the captivating world of monetization? Herein lies the twist. The true magic of Faceless YouTube channels rests not only in their allure, but also in mastering the wizardry of algorithms, strategic marketing, and community cultivation. By delving into her audience's psyche, Amelia fashioned a channel where viewers felt genuinely seen, heard, and understood. Decoding the digital DNA of her audience, she meticulously curated content strategies designed to resonate intimately, optimizing not for visibility alone, but impact. With keen insights and unwavering determination, Amelia excelled in turning cold analytics into actionable insights, harnessing the potent sorcery of SEO, not just to reach viewers, but to enthrall them. And herein lies the alchemy of Faceless success. By nurturing an ecosystem of trust and relatability, she cultivated a loyal band of followers who reciprocated, contributing to her growth not just in numbers, but in spirit. It was more than just a channel. It became a movement embraced by those yearning for substance over the superficial shine of mere appearances. Through unyielding resilience, diligent content sharing, and strategic collaborations with like-minded creators, Amelia's Faceless empire manifested not just success, but a resounding triumph. Ad revenue? It flowed with the gentle grace of a serene river. Affiliate partnerships? They blossomed as robustly as a spring meadow in full bloom, courses and exclusive content. Indeed, they flourished, bearing the rich fruits of generosity and community empowerment. But remember, Amelia's tale, though incredibly inspiring, serves merely as a beacon, a guiding light for curious travelers like you. As you stand at the precipice of your own adventure into Faceless creation, recall that the profound power of narrative, the finely tuned finesse of audio artistry, and the cryptic wonders of SEO are your trusted allies on this journey. So, as you contemplate your next step into this exhilarating world, and trust me, this is just the beginning. Hold fast to a vision grander than yourself. For storytelling is not just transformative and captivating, but also refreshingly liberating when unburdened by the weight of visage. As this intriguing chapter draws to a close, brace yourself for a kaleidoscope of endless possibilities. Imagine crafting a digital tapestry so vivid, so engaging, that audiences don't just pause to view, but choose to experience wholly. An experience that transcends the scene and evolves into something deeply felt. A teaser for tomorrow, if you will. How will you harness the profound power of community amidst anonymity to vault beyond the ordinary and achieve the extraordinary? Until then, channel the spirit of your Faceless muse. The journey is yours to shape, and this, the fascinating allure of invisible brilliance, beckons you. The mystery continues as we dive even deeper into the enigmatic craft of building a vibrant community without ever showing your face. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.